Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasiliki, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm of July. I have here the base box and it retails for $25. We have 5 full-size products and I'm very excited to show you what I got. Share this video with a friend that likes unboxing videos and also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. Let's start unboxing. This time the theme is Fantasy. To be honest, I never see the theme of the box in the box in the products that I'm getting, so I don't really care about it. And the first product is by the brand Genskin. These are hydrating marine algae eye patches. We have 30 pairs here, and actually this one had a box. It was soaking wet from the product, so I throw it away. And let's see how they look. Oh, the scent is very chemical. We also have a little spatula that you can use to take out the eye patches, and ta-da! These are the patches. Eye patches. The scent is not very pleasant. This can last for up to 6 months and it is cruelty free. Let's see if we have any information here. Oh, the brand is Generation Skin, not Gen Skin. Okay, it can help firm, soothe, plump and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. Peepers? The eyes? This retails for $49.99. Pricey. Let's continue with the Catrice Retinol Trifecta Serum. We have 30 milliliters. I'm not sure what is the brand. Oh, it says Dermelect Cosmeceuticals. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, that's pretty. This one can target the signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, also enlarged pores and uneven skin tone. Okay, I don't use any products with retinol, so I want to search a little bit before starting using this. You can apply this 2 to 3 times every week, not every day. It sounds like a very expensive product. This one retails for $39. Pricey again. One of the reasons that I like Boxycharm is that we always get very expensive full-size skincare products. Let's continue with the Choice On product, and it is a palette by Lash. It is the Unveiled Artistry palette, and we have this beautiful glamorous packaging. Also 12 eyeshadows with a plastic layer with the names. I couldn't wait and I have actually used this one today on my eyes. This is the eye look that I have created. I'm going to post my review in a couple of days. We have 6 matte eyeshadows and also 6 shimmery eyeshadows, and the price for this one is $50. It is an expensive eyeshadow palette. Lash is a brand that I don't see on YouTube so much, but we can find it a lot in subscription boxes. And then we have this cutie pie here. It is the Grand Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter, and it doesn't say anything else. Oh, I have it in the shade French Pearl. It looks like a lip gloss. I have never heard of this brand, so let's see what we have. This is by the brand Grand Cosmetics. It is a plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting system. You can use it to firm and tighten fine lines. So this is a liquid highlighter and skincare together. It looks delicious. We have a very big doe foot applicator. The color, ooh, it's creamy. It is super soft. It blends very easily and it has a gorgeous glow. Also, I like that it doesn't make my skin flaky. It dries out very fast. I like that with liquid highlighters. I already have a powder highlighter. Should I use it on me? I think I'm going to use just a little bit. Because it is drying so fast, I'm going to add just a little bit. Ooh. Oh. That's interesting. It looks very soft on my face. I'm very impressed because liquid highlighters don't usually work on top of face powders. It looks gorgeous. Let me know if you want to see an updated video for Boxycharm products that I got. I have been using a lot of the skincare. On my skin it is completely dry. I love this one. And let's see what is the price. So this one retails for $25. Not cheap for a liquid highlighter. And then let's go to the other product. This one is by the brand $1 Billion Brows. It is a micro brow pencil. I got the shade Top. I hope it is my shade. It is cruelty free, waterproof and also paraben free. Okay, it looks like a lot of other brow pencils. On one side we have a twistable brow pencil and it is very thin. It reminds me a lot of other brow pencils that I have. On the other side we have a spoolie, so I'm curious to see the color of it and also if it is stiff or creamy. I think the formula is very nice. It's not very waxy and creamy, so it's not gonna move a lot. It has very nice pigmentation. I think it is very dark for a color that is named taupe. I think the color is gonna work perfectly for my brows. I'm very happy that it is my shade. It retails for $16. It's not super expensive, but also we cannot say it is a drugstore product. It's been a couple of minutes. I want to do a small update for the liquid highlighter. For some reason, I have a cooling sensation here. It is actually plumping. It's not uncomfortable. It is like a very fresh sensation, but it's so weird because it is a liquid highlighter. The overall value for this box is $180. That's insane. You can get the box for $25. I'm gonna give this box 4 stars because I don't like the scent of this product. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but I like the variety of the products that I got. Let me know in the comments what products you got in your Boxycharm, and you can watch next to this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!